Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to see the steps to connect free Wi-Fi in Dubai International Airport. As we know, Dubai is the international hub for world passengers. During the transit time, international passengers would like to communicate with their family, office friends, and others with this free Wi-Fi service. Also, paid Wi-Fi service is also available after 60 minutes. All passengers eligible to use the first 60 minutes free Wi-Fi service with some limited access. To connect with the free Wi-Fi, passengers should do following simple steps. In your smartphone, first find the list of available Wi-Fi networks. In that, choose the Wi-Fi name, #DXB free Wi-Fi, and wait for some time. Web browser will open in your mobile phone and loaded with the airport free Wi-Fi service web page. In that web page, click the button Get Online Now. After few seconds, your mobile connected with the free Wi-Fi. You can see the welcome page. Now internet connected in your mobile phone, you can do WhatsApp chat or call to your family and friends now. I think this video will helpful for you. Please check our other videos to get more details about Dubai International Airport transit process. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.